Are you developing an additive manufacturing application? Optimize your application workflows thanks to Spatial software development kits. Avoid spending time developing common industry features. Save time and focus on your IP, what makes you unique. Thanks to our SDKs, you can embed industry-specific APIs in your applications. Import any CAD file in your app, whether it's exact B-rep or polyhedral. Run wall thickness analysis on your models. Run geometric operations on your models. Detect and remove features. Orient and nest your parts automatically in 2D or 3D. Generate 2D slices to feed your toolpath generation module. Automatically create support zones for print. Those industry-leading companies trusted Spatial to develop their additive manufacturing applications. Spatial. It's more than 35 years of CAD experience, more than 400 clients in the world, and more than 1 million final users using Spatial SDKs-based applications. Let's build together your next engineering application.